On this first page, we can see a 3D model of the buildings in the Confluence district. This model has been provided by the Metropolitan Authority and dates back to 2018. As you can see, the white buildings have been supplemented with information by UrbanThink using the land register database and open data while awaiting the next update of the model. There are also contextual information such as data about the greeneries and infrastructure information that are provided by sources like the cartographic tools. This view offers various cartographic options, allowing the display of different data sources on urban heating stations and photovoltaic installations. We can change the background and change the different styles. Here we select the OpenStreetMap background. There are also measurement tools, such as the ability to measure ground lengths as well as heights in 3D, particularly on buildings, and you can also measure surfaces as the roof area of a building. More advanced tools are available, such as simulating natural light at a specific time and date. It's also possible to calculate the shadows cast by buildings and visualize areas that are more or less exposed to sunlight throughout the day. Information about buildings and installations is available, such as the building name provided by Open Data and by the Metropolitan Authority, along with the surface area and number of units coming from the land registers and government databases. Technical data influence factors like temperature analysis and energy performance indicators are also available on the platform. It's also possible to add pictograms or, for instance, to take screenshots to communicate on a specific event. The first tab presents a similar cartographic view but includes surfaces and units of housing indicators with the ability to apply different filters to view statistics within the urban zones or by building category. One of the particularities of this view is the color coding of buildings based on their building dates or energy performance diagnosis rating, if available. The Energy Monitoring tab shows energy consumption and production using proportional circles. We can also use similar filters than the previous tab. The data includes electricity and natural gas consumption from open database and urban heating consumption from the private metropolitan database collected in real time. Photovoltaic production data is also collected in real time and displayed in this tab. This tab provides an energy comparison with the same data, but displayed side by side, allowing for filtering and comparing different areas or buildings. The Data Quality tab is mainly reserved for the Metropolitan Authority and the local public company, and allows for checking the completeness and updating of the data with access to modification forms. All the data related to structures, addresses, and surfaces are available and editable from this tab. Finally, it's possible to access real-time data on the buildings thanks to IoT sensors monitoring electrical consumption, water, air quality, and temperature. This page is a mock-up of how we will be able to analyze the data live transmitted by sensors to the API of the platform.